Okay, so we've created two different formulas to help us plan through the zombie apocalypse. The first one is the infection formula, and this is y equals 5 times 3 to the x. X is the day that we're on. 3 is the rate of spread, or how many people each zombie bites per day. 5 is the initial zombies, and then y is the total zombies on x day. So, and of course, we made a graph to help illustrate this function here. And on day 1, we'll have 15 zombies, 2, 45, so on. And on day 19, it's about an hour, maybe 2 hours into day 19, almost everyone on Earth will be a zombie, according to this function. And of course, now that we have the cure, we've created a function to illustrate that, and it is y equals, it's the eradication formula, and it's y equals 6.9 billion times 0.85 to the x, and x is the day that we're on, the day that we're on after everyone becomes a zombie, of course. Nearly everyone, except for, who's not a zombie. This is the rate of curing, how much the zombie population becomes cured per day. This is the initial zombies, and then this is the total zombies on X day. So, and of course, we created a table for that too, as well. On day 1, we have 5.928 billion zombies. Day 2, about 5 billion, so on, and then on day 139, we will have 1 zombie, and on day 140 we'll have 0.885 of a zombie, and so I assume that will mean there will be no zombies left at that point. So just to review, there's the two functions and the data table. Found out all the information we need, and we know we need to survive 160 days. We need to figure out what we're going to bring. So I've composed a list here of water, 4 liters, first aid kit, gas for a car, plastic sheeting for water collection, bleach, I don't know, might come in handy, tent, pet, Toby, how's it going? Iodine to clean the water, 2-way radio, and a rifle. Really for hunting purposes, so we'll have food, be able to get food. For zombies, though, I've collected a few tools to deal with zombies. Not this. So we've got hammer. This will probably come in handy. This is first. Knife. Pocket knife. Crowbar. It's pretty good for dealing with zombies. A wooden mace. This will be useful. An axe. A sword. A very long shank. Not quite sure how I'd use this. A chain thing. That'd probably hurt. And, yeah. And finally, a chainsaw. This is the map to get home. Obviously I need to get home, then I can put all my supplies in my car and I'll go out to the country, which is my plan, and we'll find like a trailer or something to like chill in or whatever, I'm not quite sure. Next I need to outfit my car before we go out to the country. And first I'm going to add off-roading tires, then an off-road bumper, heavy metal bumper, and then LED light bars, of course, grates on the windows, new horns, like those train horns, whoever gonna add that. A snorkel, just in case you run into like a flash flood in the country, and some rockets, of course. Oh, and spikes. I'm gonna add spikes on the rims as well, just in case you run into other people on the road. So yeah.